On behalf of Shikshan Maharshi, Dr. D.Y. Patil, BBA, CA, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Pune, I welcome you to online session. Today, the subject for our discussion is Marketing and Salesmanship, Part 1. The topic we are going to discuss today is Introduction to Marketing and Market. We will discuss the meaning and definition of market and classification of markets. Dear students, as we all know, a market is a place where buyers and sellers meet to exchange goods, services and other relevant information is called a market. Either the buyers and sellers may meet at a city place, in a state, at a province, country and region, all constitutes the market. The only condition is that the buyers and sellers must meet for a negotiation or a transaction. The market may be either a physical place or a virtual place, that is, e-commerce site like Amazon may also be a market. Thus, we can say that market is a place where goods and services are exchanged, and it consists of buyers and sellers with facilities to communicate with each other for transaction of goods and services. Now, we will look at some of the definitions of market. Market may be the set of all actual and potential buyers of products and services. Many a times we hear these two words in synonym, that is, the market and marketing. But students, these are two different words. Market is a place of potential buyers and sellers, while marketing is the economic process by which goods and services are exchanged between the producers and the consumer, and their value is determined in money terms. Thus, up till now, we have understood that market means a place where buying and selling take place. It is a place where buyers and sellers come together for transaction. It may be also an organization through which exchange of goods take place, like the Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. Thus, market or marketing is the act of buying and selling of goods to satisfy human needs. Market may also be sometimes defined as area of operation of commercial demand for commodities. All these definitions of market, a place buying and selling take place, constitutes the market. Further, now we will look at the classification of market. Markets are broadly classified under three main headings. First, on the basis of area, they may be classified as local market, national market, international market and family market. On the basis of goods like commodity and capital goods, on the basis of economics like perfect market and imperfect market, on the basis of transaction like spot market and future market. Now we will learn one by one the different kinds of markets. Students, according to the nature of commodity, markets is classified into two main categories. One, general market, and second, specialized market. General market is a market where all types of commodities are sold. Commodities may range from food grain to textile. For example, Kasturi market is a general market, or Lakshmi market is a general market. Second type of market is, according to commodities, specialized market. As the name suggests, specialized market refers to market dealing in a specific commodity. For example, Dawa Bazaar, where all medicines are sold, or wool market, jute market. Thus, market dealing in specialized product is a specialized market. On the basis of area covered, market is classified as local market, that is, the market is limited to a small group of people or village market which are nearby or close to each other, a local market. For example, here we can say that market in Sane Chowk area is a local market. In this market, majoritarily perishable commodities like vegetables, fruits, fish, milk are being transacted or sold. Now, understand that local market may be also held on some special days. For example, cattle market, sheep market. Next kind of market is regional market. In regional market, the area of operation of the market is relatively larger than that of the local market. Regional market consists of 4 to 5 districts. Example, food grain market, fruits market at state level. In our area, we have got this Lasalgaon, where onions are sold, is a regional market. Now, next is the national market. National market, area of operation of the market covers the entire country. The national markets are found for the commodities which are having demand over entire country. For example, textile market is located in Ichalkaranji area. The auto and ancillary market is and around Pune district. Next type of market is international market or the world market. The international market is a market where commodities are sold in all the nations of the world. The market of area of operation is extended over the entire globe. For example, spices are sold in India. So, spice market is in India. For example, raw material for pharmaceutical products are sold in China. So, international market of raw material for pharma product is China. Likewise, we can say that electronic items are produced in Taiwan and Hong Kong. So, international market for electronic items is Taiwan and Hong Kong area. Moving ahead, now we will see markets according to time span. According to time span, there are two types of market: short period market and long period market. Short period market are for a limited period of a day. The characteristic of this market is supply of commodities to this market is fixed and price variation is based on demand for the commodity in a day. For example, fish market, vegetable market, flower market are all short period markets. Second is the long period market. These are the markets where durable commodities which can be stored for a longer period are transacted. That means bought and sold. An important characteristic is prices for the products are governed by supply and demand. For example, food grain market, oilseed market. Next, on the basis of economics also, markets are classified into two types: perfect competition market and imperfect competition market. In a perfect market, there are many sellers and buyers transacting in a homogeneous product, that is similar product. And characteristics of perfect market are, that is perfect competition market are, there are many sellers, homogeneous products are sold, that is similar products are sold, and sellers do not have control over the price of the commodity. Example, farm commodities is a perfect competition market. Next, imperfect competition market. Example, pure oligopoly where there are only few sellers, or monopolistic market is example of imperfect competition market. A market is said to be imperfect when products are similar but not identical. Second, prices are not uniform throughout the market. Third characteristic of imperfect market is there is lack of communication, and importantly, there is restriction on movement of goods from one place to other place. On the basis of goods, also the markets are divided into two types: one, commodity market, and second, capital market. Commodities market, it deals with buying and selling of commodity. Example, cattle market, cotton market, silk market, bullion market. Bullion market refers to buying and selling of metals like gold, silver, platinum, iron, etc. These are bullion markets. Next, capital markets are market in which shares, securities and bonds, etc. are being purchased and sold. Example, share market, money market are examples of capital market. On the basis of transactions also, markets are classified under two headings: one, spot market; second, future market. Spot market means in real time, at the present time when transaction is done, it is called as spot market, and future market means at a future date. Example of spot market is down payment which we are doing immediately, it is the spot market, while future market means the EMI. Example, EMI which is to be paid at a future date is a future market. Thus, we have seen today what is a market, what do you mean by marketing, and we have seen the classification of markets according to different parameters. That's all for today. Thank you.